What up, my peeps? It's Tucker, and this is Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. I'm going to be talking to you guys today about a stock that we talked about back in March. Some of you might have remembered, some of you might have not, but it's called HelloPal, and it is on the Canadian stock market or the US other type of stock market. I don't know what the proper terminology lingo is, but I wanted to catch you guys up on what was going on with that, because there was some big news that was waiting to happen the last time we made a movie. I made a movie, and now it is released. And so HelloPal, and I'll get into the video in just a minute. It'll be a recording of kind of like what it is, so you guys will have an idea about what it is and whether you think it's worth a shot or not. But HelloPal releases 2.494 million monthly revenue for April 2021. That's huge. That's a lot for a company that just started out. And I don't know much about stocks, and I can tell you that's a lot compared to the numbers I've seen before. They're usually in the ones. The next one, that a news briefing, is on May 13th. HelloPal announces closing of $7.25 million subscription receipt financing. So they just got a ton of subscribers, and that's one of the marketing tools and games of getting people to come to you, is seeing that subscriber list and seeing it either grow or become a part of it and realizing this is a cool thing. I don't know. The other thing, and this is the biggest news out of all three of them, is HelloPal signs definitive purchase agreement to acquire interest in Dogecoin, Litecoin mining assets. So, what does that mean? There was some talk about them acquiring this Dogecoin, and this is actually a really good thing. If you don't even know what I'm talking about, and kind of half of what I'm saying, I don't know what I'm talking about. But there's a lot of crypto talk going on, and I'm not going to get into that in this video. But this is a good indicator for the future in terms of cryptocurrency and where HelloPal could be. And if you get in now, and this is a currency, this is a stock that is Bitcoin mining related. Like we've covered other stocks. Remember, when the Bitcoin goes up, those other stocks go up. This is the same type of thing. So I'm gonna play the video if I can, and this is a little bit of an idea about what HelloPal is all about. So I hope you can hear it.
What this company is all about, and we're gonna go over it.
With HelloPal, meeting and making new friends from all over the world has never been easier. For a start, see what living in other countries is like by browsing through pictures and videos posted by users and interacting with those who interest you. Want to find people from specific countries? Simply start a new chat and select your search preferences, such as country, location, age, and gender. Can't speak or understand foreign languages? No problem. Just use our built-in translation tools wherever necessary. And last but not least, interact with users in real time through live stream videos. Just join any of the live stream feeds and chat with the live streamers using text or voice. Or better still, start a live stream broadcast yourself so you can share yourself with the world live. In fact, whenever you receive virtual gifts, you are actually earning money which you can withdraw whenever you like. So wait no more. Say HelloPal and meet the world today.
There you go. So that's it. That's HelloPal, and their stock price was trading 2 days ago. 2 days ago at 125, and that was it hit its all-time high, 125. And so if we get a positive catalyst that comes out and says HelloPal is really like going cryptocurrency style and blah 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 blah, we could see that stock price go up from 125 to, you know, much higher, depending on how many stocks or shares you buy. So if you like the video, you know, push the like button. If you don't, that's cool. I'm on YouTube at Tuck Notes and on Instagram at TuckerMLO. Hope you have a good night. Talk to you later. Peace.